I knew it. I knew it. You crack his back. That sounds like cracking his Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is MaxBaby4 and today we're playing no, we're not playing anything. This is the first time that we're gonna do Max Watches, so I'm gonna react to a video today, and it's called Baby Colonic Adjustment for Immediate Relief. And it's about a doctor that's cracking a baby's back. 4 days old, and his name is Christopher. Let's get into it already. 4 days old. Oh my gosh, she's 4 days old. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh, okay, that's a sickness. Okay, first of all, what is he doing to the baby? Like, look at the baby's. He is like, there's something going on with it. I can tell that back pain really actually hurts. What? That looks like a soccer ball from a distance. That just looks like a. Alright, besides the head, that looks like a ball. I'm just telling you that. Oh my gosh. He just puked. He's like, I'm just fine, I'm just puking. That's a small, and he's 4 days old, so I don't know if he's supposed to be expected to puke. I don't know. He's touching his. Oh my. I mean, I can, like, from the baby's, like, feelings, touching the certain part of the back. Oh my gosh. Poor baby. Oh my god. What is he gonna do? He's gonna, like, crack his back or something? I hope he doesn't do it. I mean, that would be disgusting. Load of gas. Yeah, I don't know a lot about babies, but I probably know that they won't do gas unless it's from their butt, so, yeah. Have to bother me today. Like, have to bother me today. Are you joking me, Norton? Are you joking? Wow. Oh my. Oh my god. Shh, better not. Oh my gosh. What is he gonna do? If I were the doctor, I would instantly fire myself and get another job, like working at Subway or McDonald's. I would definitely not being a doctor that cracks babies' backs 24/7. Nah. I knew it. I knew it. You'd crack his back. That sounds like cracking his back, like going a little deeper in the back. Ah, all right, let's just keep on watching. Oh my no! Oh my! Oh no! Come on! No! No! No, man! No! No! You're not a professional. That you're not going to crack an innocent baby's. Oh my gosh! It's just disgusting. Oh my gosh! Oh no! No! I just see it from the angle already. Oh my gosh! Oh my! All right, let me put it up, just in case. Just in case.
In the right place.
Oh my! There is no way. Oh my! Let's see the baby's reaction first. What the? Cracking an innocent baby's. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is just the worst thing. Let's just see it again. Can you imagine? He just cracked his back. Oh my gosh. Let's just see that again.
Under a little bit to get it in the right place. That's why you click.
Oh my goodness. Rubbing his head. Do you think that is enough to crack a 4-day-old baby that has just been born, that very fragile, for some reason has a lot of hair, and decides to crack his back? I don't get this. I don't get what the meaning of this is. Oh my gosh. It didn't really hurt? Ha! Ha! It's hysterical because you haven't did it yet. Yeah. You haven't done it yet. So, yeah, that is just the craziest video ever. The link will be in the description to the video. Alright guys, I'll wrap it up for this video. If you like it, please subscribe and turn up that notification bell so you never miss a video. If you want to see more of these reactions to watching random videos, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Bye!